Okay.
So the next test.
All right.
It's frozen fish if no big enough fresh fish.
So we're gonna cook seafood.
Right.
And I prepared some record and three, or in this case, yes, and some methods, some functions. So figure it out.
So yeah, I guess we want to do some filtering here as well. We want to use frozen fish.
Okay, we want to use frozen fish if no big enough fresh fish.
What does a fish, what does that object contain?
So your object is here. Yeah, exactly. And you don't have to worry about the logic. The logic is here if it's big enough or if it's fresh enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I guess we want to filter if it's big enough.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
And then if we get a result, then we should use it, or if it's empty, we should use a frozen fish instead.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I guess just default if empty, right? Yeah.
It's our backup plan. So our backup plan is online.
Just frozen fish, I guess. So we have that object.
Cool.
Yeah. We need to assign this to something, I guess. Okay. So should we try and verify that we either have a big enough fish or a frozen fish?
You want to, so based on your input, what you gonna end up? What do you think? Because your verifier doesn't have logic. Your step verifier will be like, I expect that a specific thing. So if you follow the code, what you're gonna expect based on the logic inside the function?
I guess a fish isn't big enough, so that will return false. So we should end up with a frozen fish. So I guess that's what we want to verify.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can create a step verifier, I guess.
True.
Yes. I'll borrow some code from here.
Yeah. Have our fish, yeah. And then we would expect next.
Frozen fish.
That it's equal to frozen fish, or
here is just what you want it to be.
Okay.
So like that, I guess. Maybe try it.
Yeah, that's right. Looks like it ran.
Yeah, it's green, but it's missing something if you look at the title.
Yeah, I'm thinking we might end up with a not so fresh big fish.
So if you create a new fish that is big enough, but it's not fresh, use that instead. Small fish.
Big not fresh fish?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, actually, yeah, right.
not fresh fish.
Yeah. Yes. That's cool. So if you use that instead of fresh fish in the
And that's what we're expecting, or
no,
or where did you mean to use it?
you use it for cooking.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah. So it's big enough. It should be fine. But you're gonna still cook with a very old fish. So you can run it, see it will pass. You will cook it. So would you?
Oh, we would buy it.
Yeah, we don't check for freshness.
Why it failed, actually?
Because we don't have the frozen fish.
It was big enough, right? So
no, it's failing. What we wanted to see, we are seeing it, but it's checking the times and it's not checking like, or no.
It's saying that we're expecting the frozen fish because we still are, but we picked the got way back fish.
Exactly. Very well. You are more focused than me. Thank you.
Yeah, another filter.
That sounds great. What should we check?
Fresh enough.
Awesome. Let's try it again.
Yes. Lovely.